has evolved into a captivating form of self-expression, and incorporating top 6 nail design with flowers adds a touch of natural elegance to your fingertips. From delicate roses to vibrant sunflowers, here are the top 6 nail designs featuring flowers that are sure to bloom your style. Number 1. Rose Garden Romance. Embrace timeless elegance with intricate rose designs. Whether it's a single rose accent nail or a garden of roses blooming across your fingertips, this design exudes romance and femininity. Opt for pastel shades like soft pinks and creamy whites to complement the delicate nature of roses. Number 2. Sunflower Delight. Bring a burst of sunshine to your nails with cheerful sunflower motifs. With their bold yellow petals and dark centers, sunflowers make a striking statement against any nail color. Pair them with vibrant green leaves for a fresh, summery look that's sure to brighten your day. Number 3. Cherry Blossom Bliss. Celebrate the fleeting beauty of cherry blossoms with this delicate nail design. Soft, pink petals against a light pastel background capture the essence of springtime romance. Add some whimsy by incorporating tiny branches and buds for a truly enchanting look. Number 4. Tropical Paradise. Transport yourself to a tropical oasis with vibrant floral designs inspired by exotic blooms. Think lush palm leaves, colorful hibiscus flowers, and tropical birds against a backdrop of turquoise waters. This design is perfect for adding a touch of paradise to your nails, whether you're lounging by the pool or dreaming of a beach getaway. Number 5. Classic French with a floral twist. Give the timeless French manicure a fresh update by adding delicate floral accents. Instead of the traditional white tips, opt for soft pastel hues like baby pink or pale lavender. Then, adorn 1 or 2 nails with dainty floral designs for an elegant and feminine twist on a classic look. Number 6. Bohemian Dream. Embrace your free spirit with a bohemian-inspired nail design featuring eclectic floral patterns and whimsical motifs. Think intricate mandalas, paisley prints, and wildflowers in rich, earthy tones like burgundy, mustard yellow, and deep teal. This design is perfect for channeling laid-back boho vibes with a hint of artistic flair. No matter which floral nail design you choose, the key is to have fun and let your creativity blossom. Whether you prefer understated elegance or bold statement nails, floral motifs offer endless possibilities for expressing your unique style and personality. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 6 nail designs featuring flowers. We hope you found inspiration in these floral masterpieces and are excited to try them out for yourself. Remember, your nails are your canvas, so don't be afraid to get creative and let your personality shine through. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your favorite design, and subscribe to our channel for more nail art tutorials and inspiration. Until next time, keep blooming and flourishing with fabulous floral nails.